Hey everybody, I hope all is well today. I had some salmon in my freezer that I wanted to get rid of, so I decided to do a quick video. I hope you guys enjoy it. You can start with seasoning first, or you can start with butter first. It really doesn't matter in which order you go. Okay, this may look like a lot of seasoning that I'm using, but don't worry about over seasoning. If you use the right amounts during blending, then it's all going to balance out. You want to be sure your skillet is hot for caramelizing. You're going to cook each side 3 minutes, and then depending on the thickness of your steak, you'll let it cook until it's done.